The Department of Homeland Security says Prince Harry's immigration file must be kept private as the Heritage Foundation prepares to fight in court to have it released. The U.S. Department of Homeland Security says Prince Harry still has a right to privacy in his U.S. immigration affairs, despite going public with intimate and personal details about his life. Welcome to Royal Pancakes. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell, so you don't miss any updates about the British royal family. The Duke of Sussex doesn't shy away from sharing private details in his memoir Spare, which even includes an anecdote about his frozen penis, as well as the 6 episodes he filmed with wife Meghan Markle at the end of last year's Netflix series. But the Department of Homeland Security argued in a new legal filing that past disclosures did not mean his visa records should be released, as it sought to dismiss an appeal by the conservative think tank Heritage Foundation seeking access to the documents. Neil Gardner, director of the Margaret Thatcher Freedom Centre at the Heritage Foundation, told the Daily Mail that the HSE's response was a disgrace. The Biden administration should clarify what is on an immigration application, he said. Their refusal to release these records so far shows that there is clearly something to hide. Gardner added, Prince Harry himself should support the release of his immigration records if he has nothing to hide. The Heritage Foundation is seeking to release the documents as part of a Freedom of Information request filed in March. The think tank claims Harry may have lied about his drug use on immigration documents, despite admitting to drug use in his memoirs and Netflix show. If the prince had not told the truth on the application form, he could have been deported from the US or barred by border agents. The Department of Homeland Security initially denied the application, and the Heritage Foundation took the case to a Washington court after an administrative appeal was stalled. The judge asked both sides to try to resolve their differences on key issues, but DHS did not, either by filing a motion for summary judgment or dismissing the case. In the document, DHS not only claims that Harry still has a right to privacy as he has from the beginning, it now argues that even what he revealed in his memoirs and TV series doesn't mean it has to sell the documents. Jared Panter, Deputy Director of the Liberty Information Center for the Homeland Security Information Center, wrote, Prince Harry has not consented to the release of records relating to him or to coverage of information about him, details about his personal life, but he remains very interested in the privacy of his immigration status and the information about him reflected in his immigration records. Prince Harry has not publicly or formally disclosed his status in the United States, nor has he waived all of his personal rights to privacy. Harry has been honest about his past drug use in his memoir Spare and his Netflix show Harry and Meghan, which was released in January.